you have bought this thing, you're glad you don't need a pistol gun to apply the silicone, and you cannot find how. So, I was busting my balls for half an hour until I found it out. So, can you see this state? So, what you do is this. The bottle comes in this form. Can you see that this triangle thing is aligned with this? Okay, so what you do is you break this small thing, you turn this down, and then you twist until you hear the clack. And it gets in this position. Actually, what you have to do is to go through this and this, so these metallic things are underneath it. And now you can, I don't want to press it now because then it's gonna fill up and I don't know how to, like, how can I clean it after? But this is how you can use it. You're welcome.